Hey podcasters, Liz from Headliner here. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to edit your free video clips here in Headliner. So first things first is you're going to log into your Headliner account by visiting make.headliner.app. Next, you should be seeing a screen that looks an awful lot like the one you see in front of you. And once you've logged in, you'll actually need to go about creating your video clips projects. So to do that, you will need to click on this orange video podcasting button and then enter into the appropriate flow. Instructions for how to create free video clips here in Headliner are going to be linked in the description down below. Again, the purpose of this video is going to be walking you through how to actually edit those clips once Headliner's gone ahead and processed and made all of your wonderful, awesome clips to help grow your podcast out on YouTube and social media. Once Headliner's actually finished making those clips for you, there's going to be two different ways that you can go about actually accessing those clips. The first is to simply just keep an eye on your email. Headliner will send you a super easy quick email just letting you know, hey, your projects are done. You'll be able to click in that email and go directly to those video clips to kind of check everything out, edit, do whatever you would like with them. Or you can just wait in your Headliner account, and then once we finish processing those clips, you'll just need to quickly navigate to the Projects tab. To do so, you'll need to just go to the Projects tab, denoted up here in the kind of top middle of your Headliner dashboard. And then you'll need to click on the appropriate clips project that you're wanting to edit. You're going to know if something is a video clips project really easily by just looking at the thumbnail. So you can kind of see here that we have those three kind of video thumbnails there, and then also you'll see the see your clips call to action right there. To go ahead and access those clips, just click anywhere on that actual project name, and then Headliner will automatically port you on over to your clips project, and you'll be able to view, edit, and share your clips here in Headliner. To edit a clip, all you'll do is go ahead and click on it. So you can see here, I just quickly moused over and just click again anywhere on that video project. And then you'll be able to start making some of those editing decisions. So let's say I wanted to kind of remove this fluff at the top, just like I would a Word doc, just quickly highlight over it, click the backspace, and then you can see here that Headliner is going ahead and it's reprocessing that video in real time, so you'll be able to see the edits that you made up front. Again, you can just quickly kind of go through, so maybe removing any awkward pauses that you may see. And that is really it. Again, Headliner is going ahead, it's reprocessing that in real time, so all of your video clips are edited really quickly without a whole lot of lead time added to getting your clips up on social media and YouTube. Now, let's say I wanted to actually edit the design. So for instance, you can see that I added this text element here at the top, but it may not be applicable to this actual clip. If I wanted to go ahead and change that, all I would do is click on these three little dots, then click on Design. And then here, just click directly on that element, and I can go ahead and change it to something that I want. So for now, I'll just say, grow, goodness, if I can spell, grow your podcast. Go ahead and click Save Changes. And then if there's anything else I wanted to do, like let's say maybe I wanted to add in a little progress bar at the bottom, I could do that. And then once I'm fully done editing the design of this clip, I'll just click Save Changes up here in the upper right-hand corner. And Headliner, it's going ahead and it's reprocessing that video, and it's going to go ahead and allow me to really quickly export and share that video out into the world. And then while that's processing, you can kind of, go about doing clips, so you can edit kind of everything up front, so really quick bulk editing for your video clips. Now, let's say that you're happy with how one of your video clips turned out and you're ready to share it to the world. Awesome. All you'll do is again click on these three little dots in the bottom of your clips corner, and then go ahead and click Share. And then Headliner will go ahead and again port you on over to the share page, and you can go ahead and share these clips out to whatever platform, including YouTube, in a optimized way. So to do that, again, you'll just really click on that actual platform. You may have to sign in, it just kind of depends on where you should stand with Headliner. And we can actually go ahead and write your captions here. So you may see something super simple like check out my new video. If you have a Headliner Pro account, you'll see this lovely regenerate text. You'll just go ahead and kind of put in whatever you would like in terms of formality and tone, Headliner will go ahead and regenerate it super quickly, and you can go ahead and make little changes. So maybe, correct any grammatical things, maybe update the formatting, add in some hashtags. So we'll say podcast growth. And then you can really quickly just go ahead and even schedule these clips here in Headliner. So you can see that we have this little schedule guy right here. So I can go ahead and say maybe set these clips tomorrow at 5 o'clock and go ahead and click schedule. And now you can see here that my clips are ready to be scheduled here on Headliner. Again, that is how you edit your free video clips here in Headliner. Headliner makes it really easy to edit these video clips and kind of bulk batch your content out front so you can really quickly and effectively grow your podcast on platforms like social media and YouTube. As always, if you have any questions, thoughts, comments, suggestions, what have you, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below or email us directly at support@headliner.app. As always, thank you so much for watching and happy podcasting.